What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. So today we're playing mukbang game with Tanner. Say what's up, Tanner.
What's up? Actually, this was my pick today. It's called the mukbang game. We just eat food. It's like a mukbang. Y'all be looking at YouTube mukbang videos, people eating a lot, like those yummy corn dogs with the cheese pool and stuff like that, right? Alright, well, let me order. I got the perfect one.
So y'all, you can finally see us.
Yeah, it's been a long time.
Cause I was getting the Minecraft stuff together in our channel.
So we're adding something real good to our menu. A lot of good stuff.
And seafood and bulldog. All that.
Ooh, but they gotta do milk. US salmon. I'm gonna get snacks. Alright, now. Oh, alright, and then hold up.
Come on, Tanner, I'm
I'm gonna
hungry.
get two of these.
I don't know how big that is, girl. Let's eat. Alright, come on now, I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
Bro, let me place this.
Let me eat some more. You don't know what you're getting. Yes, I do. Of course I know what I do. You do not know what you're getting. Alright, sushi. Like salmon. You need... Alright, snacks. Yeah. Yeah. No. Onion boil, yeah. Alright. You don't need my fast. That's really fucking new. I need my mozzarella sticks. You already know me, guys.
No,
Don't
these
you know me?
ones. No, is that for...
Come on, man.
Go right there. It's still the other one. No, is that for these ones? It's another one.
Oh my. That's what I... Alright. Where's my order?
It's down everything. I get one chicken.
I did the other chicken. Right there. Onion boil.
Why can't I eat it?
We're gonna put the heck no, the blue taco dog mine.
Alright, I'm about to eat this chicken, guys.
Alright, let me get the chicken.
Hold up.
Woo! I was just going on mukbang, bro. They can't open it. This guy, bro. Fucking good.
it.
Hey, yo, move.
What, you trying to be inside the video? I know we're famous and stuff, right? You forgot the dessert. Wow, this is what sounds so good. And we got so much more videos. This season, this week, we had so much videos.
Yeah.
We just been playing.
Yes. Oh my God, you're so good.
Stop. What's good on my bed, right?
Yeah.
I'm taking these corn. I think this corn dogs.
I ate them corn dogs like I'm
Ooh,
famous.
this looks so good. Here it is. And y'all can look at the screen. What is that doing?
Don't worry about it.
Here it is now. Cheese pool.
You know, what it? Ooh.
Well, you got what? You got yours.
Hold on.
You got the Taki one.
Ooh, look at that cheese. Shush, you need that ass in my while we eating. Dip in the honey mustard. Dip in the ranch.
Definitely dip.
Ooh.
Bro, I was about to say.
No, let me dip in the honey mustard.
Bro, move, y'all. I know you want to be inside the video.
Wow, but move. Yummy. Hold on.
Why everybody want to be in our video?
That was so good. I'm full now.
I got a turkey. I got a turkey one.
Oh my God, y'all. That was so good.
Oh my God. We might die because we kind of ate the bone for the chicken and the stick. But okay.
Alright. I'm done. We clearing this.
Now we have to order more.
We ordering more.
We didn't even get that.
That's what we did. I ate that.
Okay, just place an order. I gotta go.
Alright, guys.
After that, we meet so much. We meet the drink now. After that, we meet the drink now. After this, we have to drink now.
We got the Oliver Gang dogs here.
Alright, this is your. We have to drink now.
Alright.
Now we got all drinks.
Come on, guys. Let's get it.
Alright, we got drinks now.
Yeah.
We meet this after all this. What is that?
Alright. I'm full. I'm out.
Now let's buy. Now we're about to steal people's food.
You can still eat with food.
We just sit in this. Like, look at all this leftover food. We about to. You about to steal all this.
Yep. Hungry. Guys, it was so good.
We have to put the bag in there.
No, me see if there's any more. Oh my god!
What?
Oh! Damn, they ate all that food.
I'm going back to this team. Yep. Want me to steal something? Last bite right here.
Oh my god.
Well, there's no more food.
Here you go.
It's only this last there.
Alright. I'm taking a jug so I can burn all that food off.
Oh, let's eat outside now. Don't we?
Sure.
No. Okay.
You know I'm already full. Dessert?
Yeah, give me dessert, man.
Cookies and cream, ice cream.
Just get everything, man.
Get everything? I don't want that. Who wants that? Oh, Dubai chocolate. Blueberry pie, apple pie. Dubai.
Umi vanilla.
Alright.
That's all.
So what? Gooey bunny said.
Blazing.
Cookies and cream.
That's mine. This is mine. Open this up. Put it in a bowl. Put my milk in. Then hold up, guys. I want y'all to hear this in real life. Eat this. Y'all about to hear? This is not a crunch.
Let's see some SMR, guys. So,
You got one more left.
I got one more McDonald's nugget. Put it. It's so good. Ready?
That was him. Right?
Yeah. Jump for me. Alright. Let's try the nugget, guys. Ready? 3. Stop eating. 3,
That was him by
2,
himself now.
1.
That was.
That
Y'all
was
heard that
trash.
crunch? It was trash though. Y'all probably see Oreo when we do a face reveal, right?
Mm-hmm.
And now that's good. Ooh, I'll take that blueberry pie. I'll go back.
Yep. Gotta wrap it up.
I'll just hurry up and eat this apple pie.
Alright. By the time I eat this apple pie. That was a good burp.
Alright, I'm ready.
Alright, y'all. Thank you for watching this video. Actually, I know a good outro. Sit down.
Yeah, let's do it.
So, what's up? So, this is going to be the end of this video. Make sure to like, subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.
Peace.